Hello and welcome to my channel. This week I have a strictly Trader Joe's haul for you. I went there for all my groceries this week. And one thing I did want to mention is that you don't typically see me purchasing meat every week, and that's because I go to Costco and I stock up there and then I keep it in the freezer. I did purchase ground turkey this week because I didn't have any in my freezer, but let me show you what I got. For our first meal, we're going to be having Philly cheesesteaks. So I bought roast beef, an onion, and some French rolls. I already had the cheese portion, and we don't put peppers on our Philly cheesesteaks, but it's delicious either way. For meal number 2, I called them chicken baseballs. I don't know what the official term is, but basically you cook some chicken and you shred it, and then you mix it with cream cheese and then everything but the bagel seasoning, which I happen to have some already, so I didn't purchase that. But you mix the cream cheese, everything but the bagel seasoning, and shredded chicken, and then you put it inside the crescent roll and fold it up so it's in a like baseball shape, and then you bake it, and they are so delicious. For meal number 3, I am going to be making chili. So I bought black beans, diced and fire roasted tomatoes with green chilies, tomato sauce, and then cornbread mix. I also already had kidney beans in the pantry, so I didn't have to purchase those. But I did want to show you this. I didn't purchase this today, but I do use the McCormick chili seasoning packet to make my chili, and I just follow the recipe on the back of that package. One day I hope to, buy seasonings and just have my own chili seasoning mix, but for right now I do use the McCormick original chili packet. I also purchased a package of ground turkey, and that's to go inside the chili. And then I also bought a sweet potato, and that's just on days when we're eating leftovers. I like to still cook something, that way it feels brand new. So I bought a sweet potato just to cook up for when we have leftovers. I purchased some asparagus spears from the freezer section. I love to have frozen vegetables on hand because they have just as much nutrients, if not more, than fresh, and it just lasts longer, and it's so convenient to buy frozen. I also bought some cut carrots for snacks and the blueberry vanilla yogurt for a snack as well. I also purchased some milk for our cereal, and then the watermelon wonder kombucha from Synergy. It's honestly my favorite flavor. I can drink gallons of it. I mean, it's so delicious. Definitely try it. If you're new to kombucha, I'd say it's an easy flavor to start with. Other flavors can kind of have that tart, kombucha flavor, but the watermelon one is sweet and it's very beginner friendly. The last item I'm super excited about, I've had their chocolate dipped banana pieces from Trader Joe's, but I've never tried their strawberry chocolate dipped pieces. I am so excited to eat this. It is more expensive. The bananas are $1.99 and this one was $2.29, I believe, but I'm so excited. So that was everything I bought at Trader Joe's this week. I spent $42.87. Please be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week for more groceries. Thanks. Bye.